Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Check your iPhone or iPad is updated and signed into your Apple ID. Once done, enable Siri if it's off and turn on Listen for Hey Siri to permit voice changes. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular data. The voice files download. Now open Settings, tap Siri and search, then choose Siri Voice. This first step prepares the device and network so the new voice can be selected and downloaded without interruptions. Next, pick the voice variant that fits your preference and language. You'll see region and gender choices. Select one to preview the short sample. Once you tap a voice, the download begins. Make sure your connection stays active and your device has enough storage. If you want higher quality audio, choose an enhanced or cellular download option where available. This increases clarity but needs more space. After the download completes, the system will automatically apply the voice. Finally, test the new voice with different commands. Ask for the time, directions, and a joke to ensure consistent pronunciation and responses. If Siri reverts or the download stalls, restart your device and retry the download. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are stable. If problems persist, free up storage, update iOS, or reset Siri settings in Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or Reset to restore defaults. One key tip: a restart often clears temporary download or network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.